I'm Jessica Siegel. I am a former resident of Montgomery County, Texas. I am an attorney and I ran for judge for the family court in Montgomery County, Texas, which is the 418th District Court. I was arrested minutes after I filed my application to run for judge, and I was charged with a felony. It was important for me to be charged with a felony because a misdemeanor wouldn't have been big enough. They didn't want me to be a judge in Montgomery County, Texas. Somebody didn't want me to be a judge in Montgomery County, Texas. And I have to say they a lot because I don't know who they are. I can speculate, but I don't know. And when they did that, they ruined my practice. After I was arrested and I was still living in Montgomery County, I was afraid to go out of my house. I didn't think they would hurt me physically, but I sure was afraid they would do something to hurt me or my kids. I'm a widow. I have 4 kids. I had 2 kids. 2 of my kids were living with me at the time. One of them was driving. Every time she drove to work, I worried about her. Running for judge, I've paid a high price. And I'm not talking about the prosecution. My family, some of my families rejected me. My dad thinks that I shouldn't have done it, that I should have known what was going to happen. I did some research, and if somebody had been arrested and actually prosecuted to the point of getting a conviction, it would have been appealed. And there are no cases on the books where a candidate was prosecuted for anything related to filing paperwork that you have to file in order to run for office. I relied upon the Secretary of State's website for my information. And if you follow it, if you follow the whole reasoning to its logical conclusion, and they are successful, and when I say they, I mean the district attorney. If the district attorney is successful and gets a conviction against me, then every candidate that runs for any office in Texas has to be concerned and cannot rely upon what the Secretary of State publishes on their candidate information guide. That's a ludicrous result, simply ludicrous. And that just can't be right. Why have it? Why have it? If you can't rely upon it, why have the darn thing? And I don't think they've thought about that.